All right, we were at the airport, LAX, off to the Philippines, going to South Korea first. And yeah, so we're gonna take flight very soon.
What you want, what you like, it's okay. I'm a little curious too. Tell me if it's wrong, if it's right, I don't care.
We are in the mall of Cebu. I'm having my first meal. Can't wait. Can't wait to try these. Let's compare these to American bananas. There we go. I guess people eat these here, so we'll see. This smells like a regular banana. Oh. A little funny. Ooh, just say. Same kind of banana. Not bad. So just chicken and rice. That's it. That's my lunch here at the mall. All right, I'm gonna try some seaweed. Let's go. Give me some seaweed. This is it. Very crunchy.
Yeah. How does it taste? No taste?
Yeah, no
The
taste.
vinegar there.
Oh, there's vinegar?
Yeah. The tomato, onion.
Oh, what's in it? Okay. Not too bad. Right, it's Christmas time here in Cebu, Philippines. I'm at the big mega mall that they're at. Yeah, man, big mega mall. It's pretty big. I can't find what I'm looking for, so it kind of stinks. I'm trying to find a drone battery charger that can charge 4 batteries. So I might have to get that on Amazon. Anyways, this is still day 1 that we're here, and we're getting some bread right now, and then we are off back to the hotel. We are here on the streets of the Philippines. That's right, a lot of people out here. Hey, what's going on, right? They're very excited for Jess Weber to be here in the Philippines. I can tell, totally can tell. Just looking around right now, I'm trying to find a grocery store. I don't see one in walking distance, so that's fine. So I'm not gonna go any farther because probably get stabbed to death out here, but that's all right. But just this is where it's in the evening, day 1, still here, and hopefully we'll wrap it up with some other footage later tonight. So check back with me. Whole chicken here. I think it's fried.
Sunod na ako. Pero yung mga walang din yung baso. Ay, kasi
What are you eating, Matt?
I'm eating tuna panga. I don't know what's that in English. What's that tuna panga? This one is so good.
Let's
It's
try
my
it.
favorite from this restaurant.
Let's see if it's any good.
So good.
Is that the reaction?
Yeah.
That's my chicken. All gone. Well, kind of. It's a fried chicken. I didn't know that. All right, we are on to the next place for this vacation. This is day 2. We're going to a island near where we got to cross to Dumaguete. So we're going there today. It's going to take about 3.5 hours. We might go to a waterfall beforehand, but other than that, we're going right to the beach, and that's where I will take you. So stay tuned. It's really nice out. The weather's really good out here, I have to say. Alright, what is this bread?
No. Rice cake.
Rice cake. Rice cake. Here we go. It's so good.
Yeah, it's good. And it's warm.
Yeah, it's warm. Alright,
Just rice cake, there's no milk.
it's okay. I give it about give it 4. 4.
4 out of... What?
4 out of 10. Great, pretty good for a 4. It's a hard 4.
I don't wanna fall away. I don't wanna fall away. I will keep the lights on in this place. I don't wanna fall away. I don't wanna fall away. I don't wanna fall away. I will keep the lights on in this place, 'cause I don't wanna fall. High the skies and I will lie and I will take my precious time as the days melt away as I stand in the night as the die is away. Them away, them a crying, I'm trying to delay what you make of my life, but I don't want your way. I want mine, I'm dying, I'm trying, but believe me, I'm fine as I'm lying so very far from fine, and I can't fail or begin. Feel my conscience wearing thin in my skin. It will start to break up and fall apart. I don't wanna fall away. I don't wanna fall away. I will keep the lights on in this place, 'cause I don't wanna fall
Alright guys, this is day 1.5, first vlog for this vacation. We're gonna try some ice cream. Let's try it. Here we go. Not bad. It's not as good as America, but I have to give it a 6.6. There you go. This is how I went it, so peace out.